You need a tool for photo edits, movement, video FX, and speech? You only need Higgsfield for all of this. In this video, Higgsfield shows why they are one of the greatest in this AI stuff. They are taking video generation and editing to a whole new level with their new prompt enhancer. Best part, everything is happening all inside Higgsfield. So here is how you can create with Higgsfield Speak, Effects, and Motion Control. Start by following the link in this video to get started.
You can change everything, staying the same.
Just took one photo, modified, remixed, made the camera move, all inside Higgsfield. Started as a photo, then ran it through Flux and layered it with Higgsfield's signature video effects. Photo is edited, animation applied. Then, it starts speaking. Higgsfield Speak makes your image finds its voice.
You can change everything, staying the same.
You can change everything.
You can now believe with me that you need Higgsfield for your photo edits, movement, video FX, and speech. Try it now by following the link in this video.